Right, good afternoon, girls and guys. This is just a quick video introducing NovaTech, which is going to be one of my core platforms. What you're going to have in this video is just a brief introduction to NovaTech and just to run through some of the key tabs that I use. I've only been in it for a week, and I'm just going to go through a few key things, and hopefully it will enlighten us on the workings of NovaTech. So NovaTech is effectively a Forex and crypto trading platform. It allows you to trade alone, so trade yourself, and it also allows you to make deposits and place funds in the platform, which would allow you to trade, allow them to trade on your behalf. So that's basically what it is. So this is what you'll see as soon as you log in. You've obviously got your link, which you can copy and share with others if you wish to invite people or anyone who you would like to gain from this platform as well. Entirely up to you. So you'd obviously copy this and send them the link. They would register, and you would get a kickback from that in the form of comms, sort of affiliate benefits as well. So the areas that are most important to me, the performance reports. Obviously, you've got all these tabs to look through, guys. Obviously, take your time, just have a wee look. But the key ones, what I would do as soon as I register, the first thing I would do is go into my wallet, log into e-wallet. So what we have here is my investment, which was 2,500 as of last week, and I have got commissions. I've got paid 56 US dollars. So this is what I managed to get off of 2,500. However, I must say, guys, I didn't invest at the back end of the week. So for example, I got paid the commissions on the Friday. For me to get the full percentage within this week, I would have had to reinvest or have deposited funds into my account at the end of the week. So I unfortunately or fortunately deposited funds into my account on the 13th. So therefore I didn't have the full week to gain the weekly commission. So I received 56, which is fine. I then reinvested that in yesterday. That's why my balance is up from 2,500 to 2,556. Hopefully next week Friday I should receive commissions, depending on what the commissions are for this particular week. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So guys, if you do get paid on a Friday, be sure to reinvest by before the end of the weekend, so that all your funds in the trading account are taken into account for your weekly commission. So that's something I've obviously learned. Now you've got three options with NovaTech FX. You could possibly withdraw the 56. I could have done a withdrawal, which I'll show you in the next video. You could withdraw the 56, or you could reinvest the 56 and 7 cents, which is what I did. So I reinvested 56, and that's why there is a balance of 7 cents. Or the third option would be to withdraw my entire trading account. So you can do that at any time. So if I did step number option 2 for the in the order in which I said them to you, if I did step number 2, which was withdraw just my commissions, it would take between, they say, 24 hours to 48 hours. It normally takes 4 hours, 8 hours, I believe, from what I've been told in the groups. If I withdrew the entire amount, my trading account, including any comms that I've made, that would take you, you would need to give them 7 to 14 days advance warning. It could take up to that long, because obviously they're having to go in and free up funds to be able to pay you back your account, because they've probably got it tied up in their trading, which is obviously delivering you the comms every week. So that's just a bit of explanation of the e-wallet area. What I would do though, if I did come into my account first, I would change PIN, which is a PIN that you do enter every time you deposit or withdraw money from your e-wallet. I would enter the old PIN. Now the old PIN is, in fact, they have a default PIN that they have for you, which is the last 4 digits of your ID number. So I'd pop that number in here, last 4 digits, add my new PIN, confirm it, save. A box will pop up asking you to do your insert your Google authentication. Insert your Google authentication and save, and then that's you. So you would have changed your PIN, which is a good idea to do earlier on. So what have we gone through so far? We like e-wallet area. This login area is to change your PIN. We definitely like the performance reports tab. This obviously gives an indication of your performance and everything you've sort of gained week on week. They let you know of how much you gain on a weekly basis. So obviously we've got 2% and 97, which is fantastic for a week's investing. The week prior to that was 3%, 06, 2084. So it's fantastic, guys. Obviously they've got records all the way 2 years back, which is fantastic. So their track record is documented. This is what they've got in percentages. They averaged 3% over the time they've been available. They've been around for 3 years. They averaged 3%, which is around there. This was around the time the crash took place, the lunar collapse, and markets have been terrible in the crypto space and in all sorts, the FTSE, for all sorts of investments. Stocks, the stock market has been in abysmal shape and has been tanking. So they still managed to have a profit of 0.6%. So they were still able to churn out a profit in the worst possible time, and never mind the war that's going on that everyone's aware of. So on average monthly, they also record their monthly returns. If we have a look here, you've got January, February, March, April, May and June. 11%, 15%, 11, 7, which was the bad month, and 6% already in June, respectively. So that is nothing to smirk at. It is absolutely fantastic. So this is another place I like to look, check what is on offer over the course of a week, and prepare to receive those gains. Right, so crypto wallet is a good one. The key performance over gives you that information. They've got videos down below, trading videos that obviously give you insight. It's taking this time. They give you insight on what they do, what you can do, all the bits and bobs with regards to trading. So it's all there in this area. You've got rank achievers. So this will obviously rank your progress and how well you're doing within the company. So remember, when you want to fund your account, always go to upgrade account. If you want to go to if you click on my back office, right, so you got your e-wallet, you should have your trading balance. So this is just an overview of what's going on. Trading balance 2,556. Group volume 10k. So I already have 3 people underneath me, which is fantastic. Right, so that is, this area is just a brief of your account, which is fantastic. We can go back to the back office. So guys, I hope this video was useful as an introduction to the $1 million dollar challenge and the $100,000 marker that we're going to hit in 12 months. So I hope to fill you in on my journey. NovaTech is going to be one of the key platforms for me. So if you want more updates on what we're doing, please do like and subscribe. And appreciate spending this little bit of time with me today. Alright guys, over and out. Keep pumping that crypto.